Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Threads profile picture. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Threads application. Once you open it up, in order to change your profile picture, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the profile page, just tap on Edit Profile. From this page, you can tap on your profile picture and then you have three options. You can either remove your current picture by selecting the last option. You can also import from Instagram by tapping on the second option. Finally, you can upload a new profile picture by tapping on New Profile Picture. Then simply select your desired profile picture and then tap on the top right arrow button. You can then select from various filters. After making your desired edit, you can tap on the arrow button once again at the top right. Finally, tap on the Done button and your profile picture change will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.